Hello, today we are going to go over the cleaning procedures for the ATSB and ATCM cheese melter and salamander broilers. Before cleaning, allow the broiler to cool down completely. Once the broiler is cool, begin by removing the racking and catch pans from the broiler as shown. The pans and racks can be cleaned in your kitchen sink with soap and water. Once the pans and racks have been removed from the broiler, simply wipe out the inside of the broiler with soap and water. Then rinse the broiler by wiping the inside out with a damp cloth. Once the broiler is clean on the inside, reassemble the broiler. Once the broiler is reassembled, don't forget to wipe off the front of the unit and the knobs. Thank you for watching this training video.